Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the IP and DNS settings for Ethernet on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for settings and then open them. In Settings, select Network and Internet from the left sidebar. In Network Settings, select Ethernet. You can edit your IP and DNS. Click Edit and you can then adjust them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.